Hello there, it is your old pal Grover here with a message for you grown-ups. Want to know how to help kids stay healthy and strong? Well, here is one way. Dance party! Yes! When you move with your kids, you keep them healthy. Plus, it is a lot of fun. But there are other ways to keep active together too, like running, jumping, swimming, fast moves, or slow, gentle moves. You can move inside, outside, whatever you like. And right now, what I'd like is more dance party!